Hey y'all, so this is going to be the Veleclo picture frame, the 11 by 14. I just got this recently because I need to go ahead and put in my son's poster. So he just got a poster signed and it's going to fit perfectly in here. I love that it has the little clips in here. Perfect. Look how easy this is though. Look how, like, you literally just push them in and they fall. I love everything about that. The easier the better. I did get 2 of them. My sister also got one signed. Look how easy this is going to be. I always keep this. I don't know if everybody else does, but I definitely do. Just stick it right on in. And look how easy that is. Start from the bottom. Just flip them in. And look, isn't that perfect? I love everything about this.